What is going on, Future Focus Nation? My name is George and I make videos to help you make money investing. Today, I'm going to be talking about Hyliion, ticker symbol HYLN, and giving you some updates that are much needed from this company. If you've been following this company for a while, you know that this company does not give updates often. So when we do get some updates, we got to go through them. Let's get right into it. May 11, 2021, Hyliion reports first quarter 2021 business update. After a momentous 2020 for Hyliion, 2021 is off to a great start as we continue to advance our commercialization strategy for both our hybrid and Hypertruck ERX powertrains. I am especially pleased with the talented team we have been assembling to execute on Hyliion's growth plans. Here are some of the key business highlights from the previous quarter. Announced the formation of the Hypertruck Innovation Council, took delivery of Peterbilt Chasis, which will be used for initial Hypertruck ERX demonstration units, and we'll talk a little bit more about that in a second. Continued the multi-phase product development program used to reach the commercialization of the Hypertruck ERX electric powertrain solution. Installed 10 hybrid electric powertrains during the first quarter, continuing deployment of the technology to prepare the volume growth. Expects to recognize revenue on improved hybrid products delivered in the second half of the year. If you're investing in this company or considering to invest in this company, you need to consider that they are still not cash flow positive. They are not receiving revenue, but here they are telling you that they expect to receive revenue at the end of this year. We are building the first units of Hypertruck ERX demo vehicles right now, which is a major milestone on our path to commercialization. Along with the formation of the Hypertruck Innovation Council, our Hypertruck ERX program is gaining operational momentum that we expect will continue to drive significant demand for this game-changing electric powertrain solution. We continue to make rolling improvements to our current hybrid system, and we expect to begin recognizing revenue on our improved hybrid products in the second half of the year. Last year was a notable year for renewable natural gas, as it, for the first time, supplied the majority of on-road natural gas vehicle fuel. Captured above ground from organic material in agricultural, wastewater, landfill of food waste, RNG can produce carbon negative results when fueling on-road vehicles. With RNG solutions for heavy-duty long-haul trucking, Hyliion is uniquely positioned to benefit from this large and growing megatrend, concluded Healy. That's their CEO. Hyliion will host a conference call and webcast for investors and other interested parties to review its first quarter 2021 business update on Wednesday, May 12, 2021 at 11 a.m. Eastern Time. Due to the pending restatement, Hyliion will not provide financial updates until after the filing of the amended Form 10-K for 2020 and the Form 10-Q for the first quarter of 2021, both anticipated to be filed May 24, 2021. Another reason they won't be going into the financials is that the SEC has changed the way that SPACs and former SPACs have to report prior to going public. Before the merger between Hyliion and Tortoise Acquisition occurred, Tortoise Acquisition was a SPAC on the market. Therefore, they have to go back and revamp all of their 2020 filings. This SEC ruling will actually help out Hyliion because prior to this ruling, warrants had to be reported as assets, and now they will be reported as liabilities. May 10th, a major milestone for our Hypertruck ERX. The team visited the Peterbilt's factory where they watched the first chassis begin its journey, becoming a Hypertruck ERX demo. And there you see Thomas Healy all the way on the left in the front of the vehicle. Now, the reason that this is such a big deal is that Peterbilt is a well-established name in the trucking industry. Another YouTuber whose channel is 18 Wheel Investing, who's an actual trucker that drives around the country talking about trading stocks, stated that people who are Vanderbilt people for life. Sort of like what Harley Davidson is to the motorcycle industry. The fact that they're partnering with Peterbilt brings a lot of credibility to their product. It's no surprise that Peterbilt has decided to partner with Hyliion because they are on the cusp of new innovative products. Some of their well-known product is SmartLink Remote Diagnostics. It's a connected truck technology that monitors the health of a truck 24/7, including up to 750 engine and emission parameters. So what is the outlook for this company? Well, we can look at it a few different ways. One is the bear case. In the bear case, this company is still not making money. And even in their outlook for the rest of 2021, they are saying that they expect to make revenue. It's not a guarantee. You also have to consider the implications that this fuel pipeline hack may have on this industry. In the base case, the big community that Hyliion has gathered of real estate investors continue to stay committed and dollar cost average into this company, coupled with positive press releases and the announcement of actual revenue received at the end of this year. I can easily see the stock go to $16. In the most bullish case, this company has a turnaround story like Tesla did. In the early years after Tesla came to market, there were various times where they almost went bankrupt. And with announcements like that, you can imagine what the stock price did. And years later, you can see where they are now, and they've turned a lot of non-believers into believers. A lot of savvy investors look for stocks that are out of favor, just like this one, and start investing in it now. If Hyliion's public relations department can really step up their game and institutional buyers begin to buy into this company, along with announcements of contracts with big established companies in the trucking industry, could propel this stock between the $20 and $30 range. But I want to know what you guys think. What is the next logical move for Hyliion? Is it under $5 or is it over $10? Let us know what you think in the comments below. As always, invest in me and press that like button, invest in yourself, and smash that subscribe button. It costs you nothing. Until next time.